Okay, so before we start trimming these layers down, I'm just gonna have you guys take your selection tool and then just kind of, excuse me, move your text around to how you want it. So I say, hi, my name is Ellen, and I actually, oops, my name. Okay, so you guys can see how I go a little bit crazy with this, but you're gonna position your text how you want it to appear, and then we're going to be using a position animation, so it's gonna be exciting.